So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up AOMEI Backupper Professional, including how to claim the free one-year giveaway. This is an official and completely legal promotion. No piracy, no cracked software, and no risk of viruses or malware on your PC. If you enjoy getting premium software for free through official giveaways, make sure to subscribe to this channel. First, visit the official AOMEI Backupper website. AOMEI Backupper is a reliable Windows backup, restore, and disk cloning software that helps protect your operating system, files, and entire drives from data loss. Now, here's something important to remember. If you download the installer from the regular download link on the official website, you won't be able to activate the giveaway. That's because the promo code does not work with the standard trial version. Instead, you need to visit the official giveaway page. I've included the link in the description below. The giveaway page is in German, so if you don't understand the language, simply use your browser's built-in translator. Once you're on the page, click the download button to download the zip file, which contains both the installer and the subscription details. This promotion is available for a limited time, so make sure to claim it as soon as possible. After the download is complete, extract the zip file to access the installer. Next, run the installer and complete the installation. Once the installation is finished, open AOMEI Backupper and enter the subscription code included in the zip file to activate your free one-year license. If you successfully claimed the giveaway, let me know in the comments whether it worked for you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest tech tips, tutorials, and official software giveaways. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.